Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at one of the best, efficient, and cheap screwdriver sets out there. In this $13 set from eBay, you get a 1.5mm screwdriver, 2mm screwdriver, 2.5mm screwdriver, and a 3mm screwdriver, but I don't have that here. I gave it away. This screwdriver set offers a two-part construction. One part is the aluminum handle, and the other is the titanium tip. My favorite thing about the handle has got to be the very, very light knurling around it. This offers a very smooth finish to it, but it's also very grippy, so if you have to tighten some really tight screws, it'll do that for you. Another great thing about the handle is the end of it. It's a rounded piece of aluminum that fits very well on the palm of my hand. This is the most common position, and I've never been more comfortable screwing and unscrewing screws before. And because the tip is removable, you can fit any other 5mm tip inside of it. Each one of these tips are coated in titanium. Whether that's true or not, I don't care, because these have held up really, really well. Removing a bunch of screws at once is a pain in the ass. Who wants to do that? Instead of unscrewing them by hand, do this. Remove the tip from the handle, insert it into a drill, but be sure to put it on the lowest setting of torque. If any of the tips ever get worn down, you can buy a new one on eBay for only a few dollars. And that's my review of this amazing screwdriver set.